The Utah Department of Transportation has established Utah's transportation vision called Pathway to Quality of Life. To help agencies implement this vision across the state, UDOT has created a quality of life framework that focuses on 4 key areas for all modes of transportation: good health, better mobility, strong economy, and connected communities. In 2021, UDOT initiated an Environmental Impact Statement, or EIS, along I-15 from Farmington to Salt Lake City. The study group formed a Connected Communities team to better understand the multimodal needs for walking, biking, transit access, and vehicle travel in the study area. This effort will help inform possible solutions for the EIS. The Connected Communities team is led by UDOT, Horrocks Engineers' Active Transportation Planning Staff, and Smart Growth America, an organization nationally renowned for helping communities create livable and prosperous places. To learn more, the Connected Communities team conducted 5 walk audits and workshops for each community in the study area. The walk audit attendees explored key crossings of I-15 and adjacent streets. The team was able to experience the study area firsthand through the viewpoint of people walking, biking, or using transit. Representatives from the following stakeholders groups participated in the walk audits and workshops. The groups experienced a variety of mobility barriers as they navigated through the communities. After the walk audits were completed, Smart Growth America facilitated virtual workshops to follow up on the participants' walking experiences and to discuss their vision and mobility needs.
Do I feel like I belong here? Am I supposed to be here?
Crossing I-15 for the West Bountiful folks, it's really hard to go from Front Runner east and do anything there. I mean, you want to avoid it. It looks so perilous and just so like you're taking your life in your hands if you're even going to go there. I avoid that intersection if I can at all, even with a car.
Very, very loud. Who's responsible for it? Is it the city? Is it the state? Is it UDOT?
Some concerns were unique to each community in I-15 crossing, and others were universal to all communities, such as uncomfortable crossing for pedestrians and bicyclists, lack of maintenance, poor access to commuter rail stations, and a lack of visual cues for drivers to reduce speed after exiting I-15.
It's a very dark passageway, very difficult for pedestrians to feel safe, and for cars to know where in the heck they're going.
So it's a big, big bridge to get underneath.
If you're on the south side, you've got to make 4 separate crossings to get from one side to the other.
Suddenly this nice wide offset off the road disappeared as you got to the crossing. And so you kind of had to make a decision as a bike rider. Do I stay in the road now, or do I lift it up and go across the pedestrian walkway?
On the one hand, it's the very best pedestrian and bicycle route going east-west. On the other hand, it doesn't work.
The facilitators also presented case studies from other communities around the country that have grappled with and successfully addressed some of these same concerns. The EIS team will continue analyzing feedback about connected communities to inform the purpose and need for proposed improvements in the study area. Phase 2 of the study will include a second round of workshops that will propose mobility alternatives to consider for the draft EIS.